Alright. So, about 6 months ago, maybe a little longer, I got this Maxpedition pouch. And when I got it, what I intended it for, I can't remember what I intended it for, but when I got it, it wasn't what I was expecting it to be. It wasn't what I was expecting it to be at all. I expected it to be a little bit bigger. I expected it to be more space inside, and now I had this $16, $20 pouch. I don't know how much it cost. Then I got this pouch, and I didn't know what to do with it, because I mean, I wasn't gonna. I sucked it up and said, well, you know, I have it. What do I do with it? So I decided after a little while of trying a couple different things, I ended up using it as my EDC Tool Pouch. Sorry, I decided to use it as my EDC Tool Pouch. Sorry, indigestion. And moved a couple things around on it, and added stuff and deleted stuff, and it's pretty good. But it has a lot of capabilities. I think I can do a lot with it, but this is not my #1 go-to tool if I need it. On the arm strap of my bag, I keep a Gerber 14-in-1 multi-tool. This is my #1 go-to tool if I need something. This is my #1 go-to tool if I need something. If I can't do it with this, I should be able to do it with this. One of the things I'm going to add, hopefully, is a 4-way turnkey for a water faucet, and outside hose spigots or water faucets, to be able to turn them on and off. Other than that, I think this is about done for what it is. One thing that I'm not sure of right now, I'll get to it in a second, but put this back here. But if I can't do it with this Gerber knife multi-tool, hopefully I'll be able to get it with this. If I can't get it with this or this, then I am in a whole heap of trouble. And hopefully I'm close enough to my vehicle I can get to my next level of my next level of system. So we'll start going through this then. This is the outside pouches. It's a simple knife. It's an SOG folding fixed blade knife. It's small. I got it for a couple bucks off of eBay. As I said before, I am a big eBay shopper. I'm a big eBay shopper. So, this is a T-handled tool. I'll explain more of what it is later. I'll show you. You can fit stuff inside of it, I guess, if you wanted to. I do not, because I'm afraid of it popping off, and then I'll lose what's inside, possibly. Hopefully I'll lose it in my bag, but this is the thing that I'm not sure about yet. Keeping the hand sanitizer in here or not, or moving around something else, someplace else, or I don't know. But I have to see how I think about that one for a while. Go into the main compartment here. Got a 6-inch adjustable wrench. Some people call it a crescent wrench. I got a small ratchet driver, and I just actually put this in here a couple days ago. And this more Ziploc, another Ziploc bag, just in case this one goes and tears up. I believe this one is a freezer bag, and this one is not. Yeah. I just got an allotment of freezer bags, gallon size and quart size, and trying to change some of my stuff over as need be, as the need arises. Let me go through this a bit. In this, I have variable sized socket bits, ratchet bits. Huh. That does not work. I will have to piece of junk. Huh. I did not know that. I will have to get that taken care of. That ratchet driver does not work. This is why I go through this and test this stuff. I just put this driver in here. I had it left over from my father-in-law's tools that I inherited, and I saw it a couple weeks ago, and I was like, well, you know, I'll just throw it in here. It was sitting in a toolbox, and just it wasn't doing anything. Obviously, it wasn't in a set. It was just loose. So I figured I'd just throw it in there, or throw it in this kit, and see what I can do with it. And it's not working. But I got variable other size bits that this driver here fits all these bits. Let's see. Let's see. We got this set here. It has all those heads in it. Some of these are duplicates of each other, I know. But, you know, for what this space takes up, it's ounces. It's ounces. And the size is very minimal. It's very compact. I got a couple Allen wrenches in here also. Got a couple Allen wrenches in there too. A couple other loose socket drivers. Extension for this if need be. Again, this is I guess a hodgepodge of other toolkits and stuff that I just found laying around. So I decided to put this all together. This is a driver for these. So I'll be able to use a socket on this T-handle piece. So I guess in the event that this failed on me, I still have something. So, oh, the last thing I wanted to talk about is molly clips that I got. And it says vanquest.com, but I want to say I got these from ITS Tactical. Maybe it was VanQuest. I guess it was VanQuest that I got these from. Okay. Well, I love these molly clips. They are fabulous. I liked them so much. I talked to one of the guys at my work about it, who's a slight gearhead also, and I think he liked them so much he decided to get some. They're fabulous. They are pretty durable. They will take a beating. They are really flexible, so when I lace it through when I lace it through the pack, it won't move very much. It won't give. Plus, it locks in place. So once I weaved it through, just lock it in place, and it will do a great job for you. Try them out. Hopefully you like them just as much as I do. You get a 4-pack for like $10. Again, called Molly Sticks. Molly Sticks. I think it is a great option for you if you're looking for another option besides what was out there before. I like the 511 system also, but I don't always have 511 type gear. So you know, with the Max Edition stuff, it really doesn't come with their a locking, strapping system, molly clips or anything like that. They want you to buy them separately. So I don't like how those work out, so I don't buy them. But if you have any questions, I thank you for watching my video. This is Jerome with Northern Kentucky Gear Check. Have a nice day.